Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling cash on delivery in Seller Central. Go straight to payments and shipping options. Once done, verify your business and bank details because Amazon restricts COD to verified sellers. Make sure the specific SKUs are permitted for COD by checking category rules and shipping templates. Adjust inventory to match. You're taking action now. Enable COD per marketplace, save settings, and prepare product-level overrides so orders will accept cash payment at delivery. Next, you edit each product to explicitly permit cash on delivery. Open Manage Inventory and change the payment options for those SKUs. Once done, reconcile your fulfillment method. COD usually works with FBM, so confirm carriers and pickup workflows. If using FBA, check Amazon's COD policy. Make sure shipping templates and fees reflect COD handling costs and test a single item listing. This prevents order rejection and aligns logistics with customer expectations. Finally, when COD orders arrive, you confirm them immediately, pack securely, and instruct your carrier about cash collection. Communicate expected change and contact info to the buyer. Once delivered, collect payment and mark the order complete so funds flow to your account. If a COD order fails or payment is withheld, first verify your seller's central COD settings and bank verification. Then review buyer address and carrier proof. If that doesn't fix it, contact seller support with order ID and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.